Hello, YouTube friends. This is Richard Mabey with Richard Mabey Presents. It is a very cold, windy morning here in Central Florida. And I looked outside my bedroom window, and one of the bird bats actually tumbled over and rolled down the front yard. So I'm going to check that out and then take a walk around the yard to see, if anything else had gotten tumbled around from the windy night last night. So without further ado, let's check that out. Well, YouTube friends, it's very windy out today. I'm in kind of a Disney mood. I got my Disney hat on. I've got the old Disney sweatshirt on. So, but it's very windy. The bird bath had tumbled over last night. I set that back up. I cleaned it very good just now. I had to fill it with water. And it broke my heart as I left the front door. Opie followed and meowed that he wanted to come outside with me, and I felt really bad about that. So I got a little film clip of that, and I'll play that. Now just fill the bird baths with water. So, exciting day here at Happy Land Gated Community. Opie! Opie! At any rate, I'm filling my bucket with water to put the water in the bird baths. So, as you can see, it's quite an exciting day today. Quite an exciting day. So you can see the wind blowing the leaves of the palm trees. Very windy, windy day. What I did is anchored down my bird bath, the base of it, with two big rocks. So now I cleaned it out as best I could. Spent about a good 15-20 minutes cleaning it out, and I got it cleaned out as best I could. Now I just have to add the water. Okay, so I'm adding the water to the bird bath. The water in the bird bath. And I got it full right to the top here. Okay, now I just have to repeat the process for the other bird bath, and I'll be all set, and go in and maybe have a bowl of tomato soup and a grilled cheese sandwich, you know. So I'm not going to film filling the second one because some of my neighbors are outside and they think I'm nuts anyway. So at any rate, I'll just so I've got my two bird baths all cleaned out and fresh water in them. So I think I'm going to go in. You can see the wind. Very windy day today. So that'll wrap up today's vlog. You know, it may seem like a small thing, cleaning out the bird baths and putting in fresh, clean water in the bird bath. But you know, it's a big thing for the birds, you know? So I'm going to sign off now. As always, stay healthy, stay strong, stay happy. Until my next vlog, this is Richard Mabey, signing off.